Hi friends, how are you doing today? We're going to draw a pineapple for this purpose. Let's start drawing from the top. Let's initialize the drawing with this curved outline, one in top, another curved outline. It's like the mirror of the previous one. We draw here. Then let's draw a little bit straight line and connect these two lines here. Another straight line we can draw and connect to this line at the bottom. Now we can draw few outlines on top of it. It's like the mirror, one in left, one in right. The left one is done. I'm drawing the right one. Again I'm going to draw the left one. As you know, the pineapple fruits, it has these spiky things on top, and in the bottom we show a little graphical steps here. Then we draw something like grid pattern, two more here. Okay, so grid pattern drawing will be here. These are the inclined straight lines. In case of rectangle or square, we could say that these are the diagonal lines, but here in this drawing these are the inclined lines on the surface of a pineapple. We see this kind of square block. Okay, and some inclined lines will be here, like here. Looks like this. See, it's looking nice and good. As the drawing is going to completion, it looks nice. So the basic shape of the pineapple is done. Now we can draw some shades here, like this. In the bottom, if you observe, for each unit or each part on top of it, we're going to put the detail shades on the each part. That's why let's put the shades on. You can see here the drawing is getting nice and nice. Okay, as we see, the top part, it's more detailed and elaborate, you can see here. So when you do the practice, please follow the steps as we have shown here and do practice the outlines like we did here. For the round shape presentation, we put the dark shades to the periphery, and to the middle or to the center the shades become lighter. All right, we can put few stops middle of it like these dots. These are called the eye, or yeah, something like that. It will be like this. We are going to put it later. Now we can put some shades here. Let's put the dark green to the outlines in the same line. Make the line little thicker. We can draw like this. It's getting nice. You can say here as we progress further, the drawing becomes more realistic. All right, so we're putting the colors to the pineapple here. One thing you know, that if you want to learn something very well, all you need to do is you need the patience to complete the whole steps. Do work for it, have patience, and keep going on forward. So each grid is getting the same kind of visualization or the color pattern. That's why it's kind of repetition of doing the same things. In case of grid here, in this grid pattern drawing, there will be a combination of two colors. So the dark green is the outline of all the borders of the squares, and the light green will they be the middle color of each grid, each square. In the middle of each square, we'll put the dot like this one. We're going to put this later. Now let's fill up all the vacant outlines here. The vacant spaces are filled up for the pineapple. This pineapple, it looks very realistic, green, and fresh. Fresh outlook is really important in case of pineapple. Let's draw the pattern here. Few outlines here. when you do the drawing, there's nothing too hardy. Have patience, do your work, and the drawing will become alive. Now we are going to put the dot in the middle of the each square in this grid section, as you see here. All right. As I am doing the drawing here, you can see that the speed of the drawing is the speed in real life as we draw. So no modification, everything's are doing for real. Alright, so the drawing of the pineapple is complete. I hope you guys like the drawing. Please do the practice at home. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, Blue Hand Drawing. Stay with us. In future, we're going to have more nice drawing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.